Hi there, this is Mrs. Black. I am screencasting a video that was made by Rutgers Entomology on August 31st, 2011. I'm screencasting so that I can read the print on the video for students. The Painted Lady Butterfly. The painted lady begins its life cycle as an egg that is the size of a pinhead. Eggs are pale green with 12 to 14 longitudinal ridges and darken in color as the caterpillar emerges. Upon hatching, the caterpillar eats continually for 5 to 10 days before it pupates. Chrysalis, or pupa. When the caterpillar has grown to the right size, it pupates. It hangs upside down from a leaf or branch and attaches itself with a single silken string. An adult forms from the caterpillar. The adult painted lady is mostly black, brown, and orange with some white spots. The underside is gray with white and red markings. The adult has a 2 to 2/7 inch wingspan.